Hello guys, in this video we talk about the cube 21 to 40. Let's start the video without wasting your time. Our first cube of 21 equal 9261 and 22 cube equal 10648. 23 cube equal 12667. 24 cube equal 13824. And 25 cube 15,625. 26 cube equals 17,570. 27 cube equal 19,683. 28 cube equal 21,952. 29 cube equal 24,389. And 30 cube equal 27,000. And 31 cube equal 29,791. 32 cube equal 32,768. 33 cube equal 35,937. 34 cube equal 39,304. 35 cube equal 42,875. 36 cube equal 46,656. 37 cube equal 50,653. 38 cube equal 54,872. And 39 cube equal 59,390. And 40 cube equal 64,000. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.